Let's jump to the radar. We have a little bit of everything out there this morning. We'll start in southern Maine. Temperatures are all above freezing here, all the way up through Buxton. But once you get up closer to Sebago Lake, that's where we're below freezing. Sebago's 30, Lewiston's 31, Naples is 28. There's some freezing, very light rain in here. Farther north, looks like snow. I bet it's starting to transition, though, to sleet and freezing rain. So places like Livermore, down to Turner and into Lewiston, Auburn on Route 4, probably a little dicey out there. Drive safely this morning out through the Belgrade Lakes, Waterville, Augusta as well. Eastern Maine, not much on the radar yet, but we'll get some flakes and a little bit of freezing drizzle around the Bangor area this morning too. So please, again, be careful. As we look at the weather map, warm front is on its way through New England. We will briefly get into this warm sector and highs will reach the lower 50s. This evening, though, cold front marches through with another round of rain and another bout of cold, which will be with us for the majority of the rest of the week. So your morning drive will have mixed showers. It's rain along the coastline, but inland it is that wintry mix. So watch for slick and for icy spots. Midday, by now, most of that cold is being scoured out. It'll have a tougher time in places like Lewiston and Freiburg and Augusta and Waterville. But look at eastern Maine warming up here by midday. Still some rain showers around. The wind is going to pick up, though, and that's going to be the larger story this afternoon. That wind will chip away at the cold. We'll all pop to around 50 this evening, and we're actually going to see a nice little lull this afternoon and early this evening from the precipitation. But then that final wave of rain moves through between about 6 o'clock and midnight, and then the cold follows very quickly. We could have some gusts, though, as high as 40 miles per hour along the coast, and I can't rule out a few outages, especially the down east coastline. You're a little more exposed there. As far as this morning goes, watch out for that icy glaze or a coating of snow inland. The mountains will get an inch or two of snow. Far northern Maine sees 2 to 4 inches of snow. And again, that's all this morning. Tomorrow it's back to the cold, but high pressure gives us sunshine. On Wednesday, we've been talking about this as our next potential snowmaker. Storm off the mid-Atlantic. Actually, it's going to stay pretty far out to sea. I do think we'll get grays, though, with a little light snow here on Wednesday and Wednesday night. And then high pressure returns for Thursday. That's another quiet day. We're not done with the storms, though. A third one for the week may come through on Friday, offering up another chance for a little more snow. Neither of those two, though, later this week appear to give us much. The one on Wednesday and Wednesday night, right now I'll put an inch or two along the coastline with an inch or less as you go inland. We'll see if this adjusts a little bit, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a big factor as far as that snow goes for Wednesday. All right, gale warnings are up. Today's wind is really going to crank this afternoon out of the south out there. Gusts of 40 knots. And the sea's growing too, 7 to 10 feet this afternoon. So we have mixed showers this morning and then plain rain showers later on this evening. It will be windy. It will turn warm, a high near 50. Tomorrow that cold snaps right back in here. We got sunshine, but we're only seeing highs in the 30s. Wednesday, light snow is looking likely right now, especially for the coastline. Around 30 degrees for a high. That's a cold day. Thursday, also very cold in the low 30s. Another chance for some rain or snow on Friday. And then we warm up again on Saturday, back into the 40s. So more rain showers expected then. Following that, the next bout of cold comes in for the second half of the weekend. A lot going on, not only today, Sam, but the rest of the week too. On our toes for sure.
Well, be prepared. Yeah. Words of the week. All right, thanks, Todd.